Let's make some homemade vanilla cupcakes. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to make some vanilla cupcake. So welcome our new viewers, and to our returning viewers, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment below, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Let's get right into the video. To start, we're going to prepare the dry ingredients. I'm going to list all the ingredients that we use. So I have here some all-purpose flour. I added some baking powder and salt. We're going to mix to combine everything to get all the ingredients fully incorporated. Next, for the liquid. So to a mixing bowl, I add some butter. I'm going to cream the butter and the sugar together. Next, I'm going to add 2 room temperature eggs, and I'm going to whisk until everything is fully combined. As you whisk, you want to scrape down the sides. To the bowl, I'm going to add some vanilla. After the vanilla, I'm going to add the dry ingredients. Next, I'm going to add the remaining flour, blend, and I'm also going to add some milk. So you want to whisk to get everything fully combined. This mixture tastes like ice cream, guys. It was tasting very delicious. So this mixture yields 12 cupcakes. So what I did was to place a couple grains of rice into the bottom of the cupcake pan, and then I add liners and fill them about halfway. What the rice grain does is that before the cupcake starts to burn, you smell the burnt rice, and then you just pop them out of the oven before the cupcakes start to burn. So that's basically what the rice grain is for. So this is how they're looking, guys. Some of them had too much mixture, but that's okay. That means I get more cupcake to eat. And that's how they're looking. So I'm going to pop them into the oven, allow them to bake at 100 and maybe about 175 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Afterwards, you can pop them out and use your knife or some toothpick to test if they are done. And this is how they were looking at 30 minutes. Knife comes out clean, so they were ready, right? So I just pop them out of the oven, allow them to cool, and once they are cool, I just went ahead and pipe some buttermilk icing on top and sprinkle some sprinkles that I had. And that's it, guys. I do hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment below, and let us know what other video ideas you'd like or other recipes that you'd like us to try. And guys, subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Want to check out more of our videos? You can check these out, the playlist.